this video. So the first thing you want to do, you want to go to quantower.com, and then over here in the website, you'll see it says download over here, as well as up top over here. So click on any of these two buttons. And then once you're on here, you'll see you can get your Quantower for desktop for Windows 10 or 11 64-bit. And then here you can read all about the system requirements if you want to. And down here, you can see the installation process. Now, after you're ready, click on download over here, and this will start downloading to your computer. Now, so this is basically quicker. I'm going to stop this because I already have downloaded this, as you can see. And I'm going to just click to open it. There we go. And then the first thing that pops up is you have to select your path. You can leave it like this, or change it if you want to. This is completely up to you. And then you want to click extract. It's going to start extracting all their files over here. So you're going to have to wait until this green line reaches the end of this wide bar over here. And then once that's done, you'll be able to see the installation is pretty much complete and you can start using Quantower. So there we go. It says starting Quantower. This is basically just going to open up Quantower right away. And you'll see that you yourself now have a Quantower on your computer. The first time you're trying this out, you're going to have to basically put in if you want the Binance kind of the dashboard or the UI, or if you want the DX feed simulated. So this is up to you. Select one, click on Let's Start, and then you'll be able to see, there we go. You can just fit that in, and then you are ready to go. So that's pretty much it. That's how to install Quantower. And if you ever want to open it again, I'm going to close it, go down here, search for Quantower, and make sure you open up the app, not the .exe version, because the .exe version will put you back into the installation window. What you're going to want to do is actually look for the app inside Windows. You can, of course, make a shortcut of that on your desktop so it's easily accessible, and that's then it. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.